Hi there, it's Heather at Little Bird Blythe. This is a very quick tutorial to show you a few stages involved in making a very simple dress for a Blythe doll, or you can adapt it for any doll actually. So what you're going to do is take a piece of fabric. I'm using cotton fabric here because I want it to have the shabby chic look, and I've literally torn a strip, an oblong strip off, and as you can see that's going to be enough for a very short little sort of tunic top slash dress for my Blythe doll, and that is approximately 1, 2, 3, 4 inches by probably 14 inches, so 4 by 14, so very basic. I didn't measure it out, but that's what it happened to have turned it into. And then I have cut that into 2 pieces, and what I'm going to do now is take it over to the sewing machine. I'm going to take each piece, I'm going to turn it down by about 1 centimetre, and I am going to sew along the edge so that it creates a little tube basically at the top. So I'm going to do that on both pieces, so I'll do that and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so now we've sewn the little tubes, it's like we've sort of hemmed it. I'm sorry, that's getting a bit blurry. Basically these little tubes, you're going to put some ribbon through there, and that's going to pull tight around the doll's neck. What we're going to do next is put the right sides together, and we're going to sew up the side seam up so far. So I'm going to do that and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so now you can see that I have sewn up, I've done this in dark though so you can see, I've sewn up the side, but I've stopped shy of the top, so there's the tube that's free and also a little bit of the side that's free, so when the doll is in there there's a bit of space up to the neck, and I've done that on both sides. So then if you turn it the right way round, we're then going to add the ribbon. So I've turned it the right way around. What I'm going to do now is add the ribbon, and what I like to do is attach it onto one of these children's sewing needles because it's got a lovely big eye, and then it's easy to push through. So I've cut 2 pieces of ribbon and I'm going to thread that through now. Okay, I have threaded the pieces of ribbon on both sides, and you can see I've gathered it there. On one side you want to tie the 2 pieces of ribbon together in a sort of permanent-ish knot. Sorry, that's terrible, it's not focusing. But on the other side you're going to leave them just as an open, just 2 separate strands, and then you'll be able to tie that in a bow, and you'll still be able to easily open it up and take it off your doll. And then you've got the basis of a cute little dress. And what you can do then is add some more ribbon to make it longer, or if you'd cut a longer piece to start with it would have been a longer dress, and that looks really cute. So you've got the armholes there and a neckline, a gathered skirt with lots of flounce there, with lots of fabric. Obviously I can't do this one-handed, but I'll show you the finished article in a few minutes. Right, so this is the finished product. So we've gone from little oblong pieces of fabric to this pretty little dress here, and I'll take some photos of it so that you can see what it looks like. But basically this is the dress on. What I've done is just add a little bit of lace on the bottom and a frayed piece of the same cotton and into a little bow, and I've just added that on there, and it ties at the top on the one side and gathers, and then you've got a gorgeous little dress, and basically that's the end of it. So nice and easy way to make a dress. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get videos like this in future. And thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure. Bye bye.